Welcome back to our channel, where you'll find the best personal finance and money-saving advice. We'll compare leasing and buying a car in today's video to help you decide which option is best for you. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to stay up to date on our latest videos. When it comes to getting a new car, you have two choices: lease or buy. Leasing entails renting a car for a set period of time, typically 2 to 3 years, whereas buying entails purchasing the car outright or financing it with a loan. Each option has advantages and disadvantages, which we will discuss in depth throughout this video. Let's start with the benefits of leasing a car. 1. Lower monthly payments. When you lease, you only pay for the car's depreciation during the lease term, which usually results in lower monthly payments when compared to buying. 2. Drive a new car every few years. By leasing, you can enjoy the most recent car models and technology without committing to long-term ownership. 3. Lower upfront costs. Leases typically require a lower or no down payment, making them more accessible to those with limited cash on hand. 4. Warranty coverage. For the duration of the lease, most lease cars are covered by the manufacturer's warranty, which means you won't have to worry about costly repairs. Despite the benefits, leasing has some disadvantages. 1. No ownership. At the end of the lease, you will be required to return the vehicle and will have nothing to show for your payments. 2. Mileage restrictions. Leases have mileage limits, and exceeding those limits may result in a penalty. 3. Excessive wear and tear fees. If you return a leased car, you may be charged for any damage or excessive wear and tear that exceeds normal use. 4. Difficulty early lease termination. If your circumstances change and you need to end your lease early, you may face significant termination fees. Let us now look at the benefits of purchasing a car. 1. Ownership. When you buy a car, you own it and can keep, sell, or trade it in whenever you want. 2. No mileage restrictions. You can drive as much as you want without fear of being penalized for exceeding mileage limits. 3. Customization. You are free to modify or customize your vehicle as you see fit. 4. Equity. Once your car loan is paid off, you'll have an asset that can be used as collateral for future loans or as a trade-in for a new car. However, there are some disadvantages to purchasing a car. 1. Higher monthly payments. Because you're financing the entire cost of the car, your monthly payments will be higher than if you were leasing. 2. Depreciation. Cars lose value over time, and you may end up owing more on your car loan than the car is worth, particularly in the first few years. 3. Maintenance costs. As your vehicle ages, you may need to pay for repairs that are no longer covered by the warranty. 4. Difficulty. Selling a car can be time-consuming and difficult, especially if you owe money on it. Consider the following factors when deciding whether to lease or buy. 1. Create a budget to determine how much you can afford to spend on monthly car payments as well as upfront costs. Leasing usually has lower monthly payments, but buying has more long-term value. 2. Driving habits. If you drive long distances or have a history of damaging cars, buying may be a better option due to the lack of mileage restrictions and potential wear and tear fees associated with leasing. 3. Long-term plans. Consider your long-term plans and how they may affect your car requirements. If you anticipate major life changes that will affect your car needs, such as a growing family or a new job, leasing may provide more flexibility. 4. Vehicle preferences. If you enjoy driving the most recent car models and upgrading frequently, leasing may be a better option. However, if you want to own your car and keep it for a long time, purchasing is the better option. 5. Credit score. The financing terms available to you will be influenced by your credit score. When purchasing a car, a higher credit score may qualify you for lower interest rates, whereas a lower score may make leasing more appealing. Whether you choose to lease or buy, Here are some pointers to help you get the best deal. 1. Research. Before going to a dealership, look into the market value of the vehicle you're interested in as well as the available financing or leasing options. 2. Bargain. Don't be afraid to haggle over the car's selling price or lease terms. Knowledge of the car's value and current market conditions can provide you with bargaining power. 3. Read the small print. Examine your lease agreement or loan contract thoroughly to ensure that you understand all terms and conditions, including fees, penalties, and your responsibilities. 4. Be patient. Avoid making rash decisions. Take the time to research various vehicles, dealerships, and financing options to ensure you make the best decision for your needs and budget. Finally, whether you should lease or buy a car is determined by your individual financial situation, preferences, and lifestyle. Leasing can offer lower monthly payments and the ability to drive a new car every few years, whereas buying provides long-term value and the freedom of ownership. To make the best decision for you, consider the factors discussed in this video and weigh the pros and cons of each option. Please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more personal finance advice. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave a comment below. Thank you for tuning in,